It's Lee, W1LWT. Or, many of you know, I'm just Lee. Anyway, today is March 9th, I believe it is. And I'm doing sappin today. I'm boiling sap to turn it into syrup. And this is my little kitchen setup that I have that has my different pails, my filters, my steel bowl for next to the final product to boil. And then these are the size of the pots I'm using to boil sap. And so we're going to slip outside where I've been boiling at and show you a little of the process. Now right now, these pails that you see on the floor, all 5 of those right there, is waiting to be boiled. Those are all filled with 5 gallons of filtered maple sap. So, and I've already been boiling the other 5 gallons. Today it's raining out here, as you can see. There's my wood pile. If it wasn't raining, I'd be having a wood fire doing the sapping. But because of the rain, I just moved it up on the porch for temporarily. And I'm using my propane stove. I had 2 of them. One has disappeared, but for this year. But so I started off with 5 gallons, which is just about on that top rivet, off those 4 rivets there for the handle. Well, the top one is where the sap was, and we've got it boiled down to maybe another 2 gallons. And once it gets down to about a half gallon, I'll transfer it into the big steel pot that I showed on the kitchen sink. Those are my cats right there. That's Mr. Patrick. He likes to enjoy the warm heat from the bottom of the stove. You can see it's boiling right away here. Maybe a little better view. There it is. So the time I get done, either propane or wood, it don't matter. Propane takes about 2, maybe 3 tanks to boil all that sap. I've been boiling now for 3 hours, so it's about a gallon an hour is evaporating right now. So it's doing fairly well. When it gets down to like an amber color, that's what I'm looking for, right around a gallon left in this pot. Since it's late in the day, normally if it was earlier, I'd go ahead and pour in another 3 or 4 gallons to top it off for the day. But it's kind of late now, so I'll finish off what I got here now, and I'll boil more tomorrow. I put the pizza pan underneath the thing there to redirect some of the warmness and the heat back upward. And it works fairly well. But if I'm going to do it on the porch here, I have to stay in the area and keep watching it because it's on the porch. If it's down on the ground, out in the driveway, the wood fire, I can pretty much light it, let it go when it comes to a boil, check back on it in 2 or 3 hours, well, every hour to throw more wood on the fire. And so the wood fire is a little faster, I think, but the propane is a nice convenience for a wet day. And so since it's so damp today in the air, you don't see all the steam coming off that pot like you normally would. When it's dry air out here, and it's starting to boil like it is now in the process, that the whole porch would be like a big white cloud sometimes. It'd just be really heavy. but because of the dampness of the air, it's getting well distributed. So it's kind of thin today. But let's take one more look. All right, we're going to end this video here, and we'll do another one on another process off the sap. This is Lee. You all have a good day now.